In the dynamic landscape of content marketing, one factor remains the same, and it is the emphasis on audience understanding. As creatorpreneurs, acknowledging and deeply understanding your audience is key. And an ideal audience isn't just a random group of people, the unique cohort most aligned with your brand, content narrative, and offers. Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share the best tips, tricks, and the latest strategies to help you grow on social media and beyond. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about the importance of understanding your ideal audience and how you can use AI to improve your understanding of them. So let's get started. So when you deeply understand who you're targeting, your content creation stops being guesswork. And instead, it becomes an exercise in precision, delivering targeted content that serves, informs, but most importantly, resonates. So first, let's take a look at the role the customer avatar has in your strategy. Now, imagine having a tangible representation of your audience. That's basically what the customer avatar is. Customer avatar is not a creation of your imagination, but a crafted profile that embodies your ideal audience. From demographics like age, location, and occupation to interests, pain points, and desires, this avatar will become your compass in your content creation journey. Just imagine knowing how this avatar articulates ideas or the phrases they use to express their concerns. Imagine how much more accurate your content creation would be if you really tapped into their minds. This is how your content gets more than just seen. It gets felt, it gets heard. So now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I create my customer avatar? There are two ways. The traditional way, where you would have to do a lot of research on their demographics, their age, location, income, and also find about their pain points, their interests, their desires. And you could find all of this on forums, on online communities, even with your own audience on your social media channels. But this process might take time and might not be as accurate as if you used AI. With the power of AI, you can craft the perfect customer avatar, tap into their minds, know what phrases they use, how they think, how they feel, how they dream, pretty much anything you need to know about a specific type of person. And I'm gonna show you how you can do it right now. It'll start with the prompt. You've probably heard about prompts multiple times, but in order to get the best results out of AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Bard, you need to be very specific with the prompt, and you need to seed it first. So the first thing you do is you need to seed the bot with information about you, your business, and your product. So consider the following prompt. I am creating a customer avatar for my product, service, business. He or she is, and then you add their age, their location, their income. We're gonna only add demographics here because we're gonna be asking to ChatGPT to give us the psychographics, which is always the hardest part to find. I need assistance in developing my avatar's persona and character for improving my content creation and making it super relevant to this avatar. So I will ask you some questions to help with this. Please confirm you understand. And this is something that I always advise my students to do, is to ask the bot if it understands the prompt or the instructions that you're giving them before having it produce the content for you. Once it confirms, you're gonna be asking the following questions in this specific order. What type of lifestyle would someone in the market for my business has? What type of personality would someone have if they were in the business for product, service, business? You can add anything that you wish here because you've already fed it with this information. What type of phrases would someone in the market for our product, service, business use to express their concerns? What type of subjects would someone in the market for product, service, business be interested in learning more about? And then you can come up with other several questions like what types of books or podcasts, where do they hang out, what do they do in their free time? You can literally ask ChatGPT or Google Bard or any AI tool anything about your customer avatar, and the more information that you get, the more you'll get to know them and the better that your content creation will be. For example, if you're selling an eco-friendly product, AI can help you uncover insights such as lifestyle choices of an eco-conscious individual, the personality traits aligning with sustainable purchasing decisions, common concerns or phrases used when discussing eco-friendly products, and topics or subjects that they would be keen on exploring. So once you have your customer avatar clearly defined, your content strategy receives a razor-sharp edge. And as you know, AI tools don't just stop at creating avatars. They delve into AI-powered content personalization and recommendations, offering insights on how to segment your audience for content marketing, or even how to use AI to generate personalized content ideas. And the implications are massive. For example, AI-powered email marketing personalization ensures that your emails aren't just opened, but that they are acted upon. AI-powered social media marketing personalization guarantees your posts aren't scrolled past, but actually engaged with. And AI for content optimization ensures that your content isn't only consumed, but shared. The versatility of AI in content creation isn't about replacing the human touch, but augmenting it. It's about crafting content that not only finds target, but content that sticks. So now that you've learned how you can create a customer avatar with AI and how to use these insights to create content for them, I want to remind you about my free ChatGPT prompt pack. This is a pack with over 50 ChatGPT prompts that are gonna help you improve your Instagram strategy, your content strategy, and your monetization strategy, and it's completely free. All you gotta do is go to the link in the description, click there, go download them and start using them. But first, don't forget to research your customer avatar. Once you've done that, you can start by using these prompts. And the last thing I want to remind you is that next week, the AI-powered guide for Instagram content mastery is coming out. This is a revolutionary guide that is gonna help you dive deep more into customer avatar creation and how to create different Instagram formats, including carousels, talking reels, captions, and story sequences to make sure that your content always resonates with your audience, increasing engagement, sales, and growth. So stay tuned because it will be coming out at a very exclusive price just for 1 week. And to wrap up, I just want to remind you that with artificial intelligence in your toolkit, every piece of content that you craft will become more than a post or an article, but an actual symphony that your audience will love, cherish, and resonate with. So if you learned something new today, don't forget to give those thumbs up, share this video with a friend, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because we share new weekly content on AI for content creation, social media growth, monetization, entrepreneurship, and more. See you then.